Renting land for farming involves a series of steps to secure an agreement between the landowner and the farmer. Here's a concise guide. Identify suitable land. Search for available farmland based on your agricultural needs, location preferences, and soil quality. Contact landowners. Reach out to landowners with available property. You can find potential opportunities through local agricultural offices, online platforms, or by networking in farming communities. Discuss terms. Initiate discussions with landowners to understand their expectations and discuss your farming plans. Clarify terms such as lease duration, rent amount, and any specific conditions. Visit the land. Arrange visits to inspect the land. Evaluate soil quality, water availability, and other factors critical to your farming activities. Negotiate lease agreement. Once both parties are satisfied, negotiate and draft a lease agreement. Include details about rental payments, responsibilities, and any restrictions. Verify zoning and regulations. Ensure the land is zoned for agricultural use and comply with local regulations. This may include permits or environmental assessments. Insurance and liabilities. Discuss insurance coverage and liability responsibilities with the landowner. Determine who is responsible for potential risks and damages. Sign the lease. Finalize the agreement by signing the lease. Both parties should retain a copy for reference. Prepare the land. Prepare the land for farming, considering any necessary infrastructure, fencing, or soil amendments. Regular communication. Maintain open communication with the landowner throughout the lease period. Update them on farming progress and address any concerns.